Have you ever wondered what makes Assamese cuisine so unique and diverse? Today, we embark on a culinary journey through the heart of Assam, exploring the tantalizing taste of 10 signature dishes and their cultural significance. First on our list is kar, a meat delicacy cooked with banana leaves. This dish is a testament to the resourcefulness of Assamese cuisine, turning simple ingredients into a feast for the senses. The meat is slow-cooked with a unique alkaline ingredient derived from banana peels, resulting in a dish that is rich, flavorful, and undeniably Assamese. Next, we dive into the tangy depths of mouthwatering, a bright fish curry that dances on the tongue with its sour notes. A traditional Assamese meal is incomplete without this dish, and its citrusy flavors are known to balance the richness of other dishes, creating a well-rounded dining experience. Then we turn up the heat with bhut jolokia chutney made from one of the hottest chilies in the world. This fiery condiment is not for the faint-hearted, but it's an essential part of Assamese cuisine, adding a spicy kick to meals and demonstrating the Assamese love for bold flavors. Let's sweeten things up with pitha, a traditional dessert. These sweet rice cakes are a staple during Bihu, Assam's most significant festival, symbolizing the sweetness of community and celebration. A sip of lopani, a traditional rice beer, is sure to transport you to the lush paddy fields of Assam. This homemade brew is not just a beverage, but a symbol of Assamese hospitality and warmth, often served to guests during festivities. As we journey further, we encounter duck meat curry, a dish that showcases Assamese cuisine's ability to balance robust flavors. Cooked with a generous amount of herbs and spices, this dish is a hearty and comforting staple in Assamese households. Then we have the utanga pickle, a tangy condiment made from a local fruit called elephant apple. This pickle is a testament to the Assamese knack for preserving the flavors of the season, adding a tangy twist to meals. The humble aloo pitika, a mashed potato dish with a spicy twist, is next on our menu. This simple yet satisfying dish is a testament to the Assamese talent for turning everyday ingredients into extraordinary culinary experiences. Next, we have poita bat, a fermented rice dish often eaten for breakfast. This dish, rich in probiotics, showcases the health-conscious side of Assamese cuisine. Finally, we delve into the world of silkworms with eripolu, a dish that truly encapsulates the adventurous spirit of Assamese cuisine. Made from silkworm pupae, this dish might seem unusual to many, but it's a delicacy in Assam, highlighting the region's biodiversity. In today's journey, we've sampled kar, mouthwatering, bhut jolokia chutney, pitha, laupani, duck meat curry, utanga pickle, aloo pitika, poita bat, and eripolu. Each dish, in its unique way, represents the rich culinary tapestry of Assam, showcasing the region's abundant natural resources, love for bold flavors, and ingenuity in the kitchen. These dishes are not just food, they are an integral part of Assamese culture, celebrations, and daily life. So, the next time you think of Assamese cuisine, remember the depth and diversity that this northeastern state of India has to offer.